And I figured out what the problem was. We were just connecting off the is in game to our show menus and stuff like that, but that's obviously wrong. First we have to check to see what our visibility is for our canvas panel for our menu widget. So if it is hit test invisible, our canvas panel I mean, then we're going to show our menu widget, otherwise we're going to show our dialog widget. So let me show you that working now. If we hit play, right click, nothing happens. If we hit start, right click, we go to our history, otherwise we go back to our dialog. If we were to go to our options, right click, and right click, we still go back to our history because we set that up explicitly in our show dialog widget. If you really wanted to, you could set it up so it remembers what the last thing we were on is and just show that instead, but it's whatever. Honestly, most of the time you're going to want to go to your history anyways. But yeah, so that fixes that issue. Sorry again for wasting your time in the last video when I had no idea what the problem was. I also like to point out that I made the padding for our buttons 5, but that's about it.